Hey, yeah, hey. I have Addison in here with me, so if you guys hear that in the background, that's my little baby. Okay, so today is, what is today? Friday, March 14th, 2025, and it is 7:29 p.m. I am proud to report, Addie, stop it, girl, making noise. I am proud to report that I have officially completed stocking up my inventory enough for me to go ahead and open my store. Y'all, I did it. We did it. You went on the journey with me. You were with me every step of the way. I'm so grateful for you guys for encouraging me, supporting me, rooting me on, inspiring me. Y'all are so amazing. Y'all are dope. I'm truly appreciative for this little community that I have here. And I'm excited. I'm sorry, y'all. The lighting is going in and out, so I apologize about that. But what I was saying is I'm really proud of myself because I pretty much was giving myself every reason to postpone opening my store. First of all, my goal was to open 12/16 back at the end or by the end of February. Baby, the February came and gone, okay? And the store wasn't open. So I was like, well, since the store isn't open already, like, it's okay for me to take a little bit longer, right? I missed the deadline that I set for myself, so it's okay. So that was my first excuse. And then my second excuse was, well, my candles are not ready. I wanted to open my store with my candles, but I'm still doing testing. And there's no way that my candles would have been ready by the end of February. And I'm still doing like the final phases of my testing now. So yeah, no, candles are not ready. And then the other thing is I have other like body care products that I wanted to have completed with the initial relaunch of my products. That's not done yet either. So I had to tell myself, Princess, you know what? It's okay. You have your body oils, you have your body creams, and you have your perfumes. Start with that. You just gotta start. Like, literally, sometimes the only thing that stands between you and your own success is just starting. And so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about opening my store. One, because I haven't done a whole lot of marketing, okay? I decided on, I think it was Tuesday, or was it a Wednesday of this week? It was either Tuesday or Wednesday that I'm done making everything that will fit into this initial relaunch. Let's just go ahead and open a store by the end of the week, before spring break is over. And you know, I could put it off until next week to build up some more hype around my relaunch, to do some more marketing, you know, email marketing and social media marketing, to have a better to have a better showing for my relaunch. But I was like, you know what, no, that's just another reason for me to procrastinate and not open my store. I sent out an email to my email list of existing customers that have been with me off and on throughout this entire entrepreneur journey of mine. And I said, that's where I'm going to start. I'm just going to reach out to the people who used to shop with me. And that's where I'm going to start. And if they show up, you want mommy open the door? Okay. Hey, baby. You know, what was I saying? My existing customers. So I emailed my existing customers from my newsletters, from my email subscription. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm tired. And I'm just going to start there. And, you know, I hope that, you know, I mean, every business owner wants to be sold out when they relaunch, right? But it's okay. You know, even if I only get one order, I'm okay with that, and I'm gonna be grateful for that. If I sell out, that would be awesome and amazing. you know, no matter what, you know, I just believe that no matter how I start, whether I take a week and build up and market and blast people with emails and social media, whatever, or if I do it the way I'm doing it right now, the end result is going to be whatever is meant for me will be for me. Whoever my customers are, they will find me and or rediscover me and or reconnect with me. So I'm literally just, yeah, I know, baby. So I'm literally just like moving in faith, you know, and hoping and praying that the people who love my brand and who've always loved my products will find me and reconnect and will purchase and will find something that they love. So I'm hopeful. I don't have any great expectations for what tomorrow will look like when I launch. I'm not expecting to be sold out, but if I am sold out, you know, God is good, and I won't be mad at that. But yeah, I'm pretty much all set. The only thing I have left to do, I've already designed my labels for my boxes. All of my products have been labeled and they're on the shelves ready to go. I just need to label or print and cut my labels for my boxes, my product boxes, and that's it. Other than that, I'm ready to go, y'all, and I'm really excited about that. I forgot. So my house is loud. Everybody want to talk and I can't record. Okay, so I forgot. I started a Facebook group. So this is something new that I'm doing this time around. I wasn't able to do this years prior in my journey because I just didn't have the time to manage it because of school and work and, you know, kids and whatever, being pregnant, on bed rest, miserable. So I just wasn't able to do this, but I've created a Facebook group. Hold on, y'all. Addison is leaving out. So I created a Facebook group for my customers, for my products. Addison, what? And in that group, I just really want to connect with my customers and build a community that shares their love for 1216 products, a place to where I can build community around mental health and its connection to self-care. I'll be sharing like some like practical, easily applicable resources and skills and tools that people can use to improve their self-care as well as their mental health from, you know, a therapist point of view. I'll be sharing some of my own experiences as a mom, as a wife, as a business owner. And then, you know, it'll be a great way for me to get feedback from, you know, real-time feedback from people who choose to purchase my products with their hard-earned money. I can get true feedback from them in real time about what they think, what kind of products they're looking for, what kind of scents they would like, you know, stuff like that. And I think it'll be a great way for me to build connection with my customer base, to build community, and, you know, to build purpose in my brand, to help me to push forward in my purpose with my brand. As I've shared in previous videos, you know, I really one day want to be able to provide mental health scholarships for people who are underinsured or who are without insurance and are unable to afford mental health, who don't have the money to pay for therapy. And I want to be able to provide scholarships to people so that they can get the mental health services that they need. Yeah, and so that is one of the missions of my business and my brand, is to be able to expand access to mental health services through the sales of my products one day. And so yeah, I'm excited about that. So let me see, is there anything else I need to share with y'all? I don't think so. But anyway, there'll be a link to the Facebook group in the description box below. There'll also be a link to my website in the description box below. But all the stuff you would need is in the description box below to check me out, to support, to follow. Both my personal Instagram and business Instagram accounts are in the description box below. So hang out with your girl in the comments. Leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think about my packaging. Let me know what you think about, you know, the launch. I don't know, y'all. I'm excited, okay? I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Managing my expectations and just believing by faith that whatever is meant for me will come to me, and that is that, you know. Praying that my business will blow up. I'm praying that y'all businesses will blow up too. Those of you who have candle businesses, body product businesses, whatever your business is, I pray that 2025 be the year that our businesses blow up, okay? So I think that's it. That's all. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Hit me up in the comments below, and I guess I'll go ahead and sign out. Yeah. So remember, you are perfectly imperfect. Love all of you because God does, and so do I. Y'all be blessed. Take care of yourself. And until the next time, deuces.